guys, so I made a trifle. Good morning, guys. It's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are. It has raspberry whipped cream. I just took Jell-O and mixed it with some whipped cream. And then the second layer is just a box cake mix that I doctored up with some sour cream and butter. And then this is a lemon cheesecake. Cheese.
Then I add a package and a half of cream cheese.
Instead of Jell-O, I'm gonna use pudding.
And then an entire box of lemon pudding mix. And then about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. And 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. And then just mix.
Oh, I forgot. And there's some raspberries inside. So let's give it a try. Well, that is creamy and delicious and tastes a lot like a lemon cheesecake. And here we go. Here's some cake. Let's try it. Okay, this is rich and decadent. This is gonna be probably way too much. Then the bottom, well, in here, there we go. There's a raspberry stuck in there. Sorry, I have the dog down here. she wants my trifle. Okay, and so there is the raspberry whipped cream. Let's try it with the raspberry. Y'all, wow. Y'all, this is so very good. And would you guys like to see what I've done in the garden? I don't have a whole lot done, but let's go check it out. So here is the raised garden bed. I have a salsa garden. So I have some tomatoes, some peppers, and some onions. I've also planted these in here. I can never say that right. Looks like the squirrels might be getting into this. I'm going to have to put up my cloches. They've dug a hole there. Yeah, they've been in this. I also have some chives here in this little planter that I'm going to move over to the bigger ones because this is a mess. Here they are. Maybe for now that'll keep those little critters out of there. They're pretty smart. They may just push them over and take what they want anyway. And don't get too hung up on this because this isn't what it's gonna look like forever. Plan on putting flowers in here, some companion plants. And thanks to one of the subscribers, I think some petunias will look really pretty down the middle. And on the outside of the boxes, I'm going to put my grandma's flower that she always put everywhere that stinks to high heaven, marigolds. Maybe that'll keep out all the really bad bugs. Well guys, that's it for today. It's a short little video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the garden and share that easy trifle recipe with you. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.